Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze ayah number 30 of Surah Mulk. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now this ayah begins with the word qul. You all are familiar with this word, alhamdulillah, by now. Okay, so take care of this word. It should be qul, the qaf without air, and your lam should be light, and it shouldn't be with qalqala. Avoid bouncing your lam. It should be a qul. Now moving on to this word, ara'aytum. The hamza should be light. It should be given one count. Your ra over here should be heavy, and it should be given one count. Your hamza over here should be with complete lean. Okay, not atum. Ay. Okay, ara'aytum. Okay, your ta should join with the meme, and your meme should be given moderate timing. Now moving on to this part. Now what is this rule over here? Noon sakina is followed by hamza. What is this rule? Yes, you're right. This is idhar. So what will you do? You will read your noon clearly over here. It should be in asbaha. Your hamza should join with the sad, and make sure that your sad is heavy. It shouldn't be like the letter sin. Okay, the makhraj of sin and sad is the same. What will you do? The tip of your tongue will touch the plates of the lower teeth. Okay, for both the letters sin and sad. The difference is that your letter sad is heavy. How will you make your letter sad heavy? You will have to raise the back part of your tongue. Okay, the whistle is like slightly heavy, not like the letter sin. Okay, so make sure that your letter sad is heavy, not like sin. Okay, inshallah. Now moving on to the ba. Your ba should be light, and it should be given one count. Your ha should be sharp. Okay, like ha, not ha. Okay, ha, and it should be given one count. Now moving on to this part, your meme over here is with elongation sign, right? You see this elongation sign. So this is one of the madud. So what will you do over here is you will have to stretch it to either 4 or 5 counts. Okay, so give your meme 4 or 5 counts, and make sure that your hamza over here is clear. Do not merge the hamza into the mad. There are chances that you might merge the hamza into the mad, like ma'ukum, this weak hamza. Don't do it that way. Ma'ukum. Okay, and your hamza should be just given one count. Your kaf should join with the meme over here. Now moving on to this part over here. Now your line over here should be with the complete lean. Oh. Now the rule over here for this part is that you see this one, tanween is followed by the letter fa. So what is the rule? Yes, you all know this rule. This is ikhfa. You will have to hide your noon. So what will you do? You will not touch the makhraj of noon, and you will go close to the makhraj of fa, and will stretch the gunna. And your gunna over here should be light. Now moving on to this part. Now what will you do for this part? What do you see over here? You have this noon sakina followed by the letter ya. So what is this rule? Yes, this is idgham. So what will you do? You will merge the noon sakina into the ya. Okay, and you will also have to stretch the gunna. It should be فَمَن يَأْتِيكُمْ. Okay, now what do you see this over here? This is hamza sakina. So for this hamza sakina, you will have to give a slight jerk over here so that your hamza is clear. Your hamza is a strong letter. So whenever it is sakin, it is read with a kind of jerk. So we will not go into the depth of that, but what will you do over here is that you will have to give a jerk over here. Okay, yeah, this way. Yeah. Now moving on to this part, your ta should be given 2 counts. And then here, coming to this part, your meme is followed by the letter ba. Now this is the rule of meme sakina, which is ikhfa shafal. So what will you do for this? This is very easy actually. You will have to actually hide your meme by closing the 2 lips with stretching the gunna, and then you will open your lips for the letter ba. So this is very easy. This is not difficult. You just have to close your lips, stretch the gunna, then open your lips for the letter ba. Okay. Now this part is again, what do you see this? It's with elongation sign. The same thing. You'll have to give 4 or 5 counts. Okay. And then the next part is hamza is having 10 meen followed by the letter meen. So this is, yes, this is idgham. So what will you do? You will merge the noon sakina into the meme with stretching the gunna, akmal gunna. So how will you read? Bima'in ba'in. Take care of the makhraj of ayn, and also make sure that you give your noon at the end moderate timing. Okay, so this ayah is with lots of gunnas and mad. So make sure that you apply all the rules perfectly. So practice well with the Shaykh, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.